We made the stairs, and we made the small paper strips, and then we started to measure from this mark, the width of the 2 paper strips of the 2 paper strips, and then we drew the pen and cut it down. This is the piece that we want, and then we put it in. We need 20 of these. After we cut the paper strips, this is the 20 paper strips that we made. After we cut them, we stick the 2 paper strips together. After we stick them together, after we stick them all together, we stick the 2 paper strips together. We stick one wrong, stick one wrong, stick one wrong. After we stick them together, we put them on the bottom, and stick them all together. Then we put them on the side, and then we put them on the top, and then we put them on the top. This way the stairs will look good. We made the stairs, and then we put them here, on the right side of the hole. After we stick them together, we stick the 2 paper strips together, and then stick the 2 small paper strips together. We stick one of the paper strips on the bottom of the hole, and stick one of the paper strips on the bottom of the hole. The small paper strips are also the paper strips, and the rest are the 3 corners. The bottom one is the edge of the bookcase, and the top is the edge of the 3 corners. The small paper strips are made of the beads, and then these are 8 cm high, and they are made of 8 cm high. This is the handle, and these are 4 pieces, and then 1 piece, and then those are the 3 pieces. The small paper strips here are also the 8 cm, and the bottom one is the 12 pieces. This side is the 3 pieces, and this side is the 4 pieces. Then we put the pearl chain here, and then these are 9 holes, and then 9 holes, and then these are 20 pieces. Take a look at the small paper strips. This is the edge of the bookcase, and the top is the edge of the 3 corners. This side is also the edge of the 3 corners. The bottom one is the edge of the bookcase, and the middle one is the edge of the 3 corners. The bottom one is the edge of the 3 corners. Take a look at this. Now this is the product.